In this video, you'll learn how to disable two-factor authentication on your OKX wallet. By following these steps, you will be able to manage your security settings effectively. Begin by opening the OKX app on your mobile device. Ensure that you are connected to the internet for a smooth experience. Once the app is open, look for the grid icon, which consists of 9 squares located at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on this icon to proceed. After tapping the grid icon, you will be directed to a menu here. Find and tap on your profile icon, which is usually displayed prominently in the menu. This action will take you to your account settings. Next, locate the security section or security center within your account settings. Tap on this option to access your security settings, where you can manage your two-factor authentication. Within the security center, find the option labeled Authentication App. Tapping this will show you the current authentication methods that are active on your account. You will see a list of active methods such as Google Authenticator, SMS and email. Choose the method that you currently use for two-factor authentication. After selecting the active method, look for the option to turn off or disable. Tap on this button to initiate the disabling process. At this point, the app will prompt you to enter a confirmation code. This code is typically sent to your registered email or phone number. Enter the code to confirm your action. Once you have entered the code correctly, the app will display a confirmation message indicating that two-factor authentication has been successfully disabled. This means you can now access your wallet without the extra security step. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.